Hi there, welcome to my baking channel. Today I will show you how to make sandwich bread with oatmeal. It can be prepared within 10 minutes. Just mixing and heating in the microwave. It's perfect for breakfast or snacks. So let's get started. Place the oatmeal and milk in a heat-resistant container and let them soak. I use quick oats here, but you can also use oat flour if you have one. Once the milk has soaked in the oats, add all the remaining ingredients and mix well. Place in a microwave, cook 500 watt for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, bread will be hot when you take it out, so please be careful. I recommend let it cool down a little bit before cutting. Now your oat sandwich bread is ready. Enjoy with your favorite fillings. My favorite way to eat a sandwich is raspberry jam and almond butter sand. What is your favorite way to eat sandwich? Please let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!